What if I told you that doubling your money is actually easier than you think? Not by luck, not by gambling, but by understanding one simple rule. Most people believe that you need a lot of money to make more money, but that's a lie. You don't need more money, you need a better strategy. There is something called the Rule of 72. It's very simple. You take the number 72 and divide it by your yearly return, and the result tells you how many years it takes to double your money. For example, if you invest with a 10% return, 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2. That means your money can double in just a little over 7 years. But here is the part most people ignore. They wait. They do nothing. And that is exactly why they stay broke. Smart people don't wait. They focus on increasing their income and investing consistently. Not once, not sometimes, but every single month. Even small amounts, repeated over time, can grow into something powerful. That is how real wealth is built. Now here is the truth. If you only save money, you will lose. Because money sitting in your bank is losing value every day due to inflation. So what should you do instead? Start with what you have. Learn a valuable skill, increase your income, and invest consistently. Because doubling your money is not about luck, it is about understanding how the game works and playing it the right way. If you keep doing what everyone else is doing, you will stay exactly where you are. But if you change your mindset today, your future can change forever. Follow me if you want to think differently about money and build real wealth.